Munchie, here. Good morning, everybody. Munchie's here in the rain. It's been raining. Had so much fun. It's soggy outside. All the deer are wet. So we have Mama and her twins over there. We have Munchie and her baby. Hi, pretty girl. You're all wet, honey. You're all wet. It's Tuesday, everyone. It's Tuesday. Have a busy day today. It's cool out, but it's just soggy and rainy out. Right, Munch? Soggy outside. Paws are all wet. Your feet all wet. Hope everyone has a fantastic day. Right, Munchies? Miss munching her apples. No? You don't want no peanuts now? Well, you're just a tired old Munch today. Big old yawns. It's really nice out, even though it's been raining. It's really nice. Cooled everything off from everything being in the upper 80s. Mama's twins, their horns are starting to pop up too. Sorry, trying to get it good. There's his. His are really popping through. His are starting to. Hi, Munchie. Well, let's check out her babies. Yeah, they're popping through too. I'll be anxious to see how long babies start. I don't know if anybody else will show up. Everybody kind of showed up on the later side, more closer to 7 today. I'm thinking due to the rain. already put the food in the bowls, and I scattered the food before Munchie came up. Mama and twins were already following me, but I didn't know if I was going to see Munchie today or not. Birds are kind of loud today too. There's a squirrel. There he is. Such a pretty squirrel. Oh, he's running up the tree now. Where'd you go? Oh, my contacts are glass. Oh, there you are. You just run right up there, don't you, little buddy? He's on the lookout. He's like, I'm up here, and I'm sitting here, looking out. See how the girls are doing. Hope he's being good and nice today. Hope Mama's okay. She's just kind of staring off in space there. There she was. She's just kind of hanging out. Well, guys, I think I'm going to click off here. Go inside and get ready for work. All that good stuff. Hope everyone has a great Tuesday. Munch. It's just a baby. Quit. Munch. It's just a baby. Stop. Quit fluffing your fur and quit throwing your ears back. It's just a baby. Munchie's little guy. He's so cute. He has the same mannerisms as she does. Munchie, stop. Okay, everybody, well, have a good Tuesday. I'll see you guys later.